Did you know that the funniest moments happen when people think nobody is watching? I spent a whole day at the mall just observing regular folks, and what I found was comedy gold hiding everywhere. There was this guy at the food court who ordered a salad but kept staring at everyone else's pizza like a heartbroken ex watching their former love from across the street. His lettuce never stood a chance against that longing gaze. Then I spotted a woman trying to look casual while clearly lost. She'd walk confidently in one direction, pause at a store window to pretend she was shopping, then dramatically pivot and march the opposite way. She performed this dance 3 times before finally asking for help. The best part was watching 2 strangers get stuck in that awkward sidestep shuffle when they couldn't figure out which way to pass each other. They went left, right, left again, like they were doing some secret handshake nobody taught them. We're all just walking comedy shows waiting for someone to notice the punchline.